In this video, we will see how the Quotient extension works in Zoho Books. Let's say you're a business owner who uses Quotient to send customized quotes to your partners. By integrating Quotient with Zoho Books, when a partner accepts a quote in Quotient, it is automatically converted and pushed into Zoho Books as an invoice. After that, you can record the payment for the invoice in Zoho Books, whether online or offline. Note that before installing the Quotient extension in your organization, ensure you have signed up for an account in Quotient. Let's get started. To install the Quotient extension, go to Zoho Marketplace. Here, you will find many ready-to-use extensions. Search for Quotient for Zoho Books in the search bar. In the following page, install the extension. Click Install at the top right corner. Read and agree to the terms of service of your vendor and Zoho Marketplace and click Install. Select the organization for which you would like to install the extension. Read and agree to the terms and conditions of the integration and click Next. Now, you will need to authorize your connection. Hover the cursor over the Zoho Books Quotient extension card and click Connect. Go ahead and click Connect again. Zoho Flow requires access to fetch the necessary data from the app. Therefore, click Accept. Then, click Next. In the configuration page, copy the webhook URL to configure Zoho Books in Quotient. Now, log into Quotient. Click your account name at the top right corner and select Account Settings. Select Webhooks under Manage Account. Now, paste the copied webhook URL from Zoho Books in the webhook URL field and click Save. Under Events Available, click Turn on Adjacent to Quote Accepted and click Sure to confirm so that whenever a quote is accepted in Quotient, it gets converted into an invoice in Zoho Books. Next, go to Account Settings and select Sales Tax and Categories under Quotes. Copy the sales tax rates here and in the configuration page, paste them in the Quotient tax rate column and select the Zoho Books tax rate from the drop-down to match it with the copied Quotient tax rate. After configuring the tax rates, click Install Extension. In the pop-up that appears, click OK to confirm. You have installed the Quotient extension for your organization and you will be redirected to the Installed Extensions page. Now that we have installed the extension, let's see how it works in Zoho Books. Whenever your customer accepts a quote in Quotient, Zoho Books will fetch the accepted quote and convert it into an invoice, and you will be able to track them under the Invoices from Quotient filter in the Invoices module. If the accepted quote fails to sync as an invoice in Zoho Books, you can view the reason for the failure. To view them, go to the Custom Modules and select Quotient Logs. Here, you will be able to view a list of quotes for whichever invoices are created or failed. Based on the reasons, you can correct them and replay the event. To replay the event, log into Quotient. Go to Account Settings and select Webhooks under Manage Account. Scroll down and you will be able to view a log of events. Click Replay Event to trigger the function. If at any point you want to uninstall the extension, go to Settings, select Marketplace under Integrations and Marketplace. Click the Install Extensions tab. Hover over the Quotient extension and click View Details. Then, click Uninstall. Now the extension will be uninstalled from your Zoho Books organization. Thanks for watching.